Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the Realme 5 Pro and opening Settings. This is where the quick access options live. Once in Settings, go to Security or Lock Screen and Password. Realme UI labels vary, so choose the closest match. Make sure you have your PIN or pattern accessible because you will need it to confirm changes. Do this now so you don't interrupt the flow. It prevents accidental reboots or emergency triggers while we change the quick access behavior. Once done, navigate to Emergency Information, Emergency SOS, or Safety and Emergency. Realme menus hide it under different headings. Look also in Call Settings and Accessibility because the power button shortcut might be controlled there. You want to find the toggle that triggers emergency calls from the lock screen or via rapid power button presses. Turn that toggle off. This stops accidental calls. Make sure to confirm changes when prompted, since the system often asks for your PIN to apply security-related settings. Finish by locking your phone and testing the behavior with cautious power button presses so you don't actually place a call. If the emergency dialer still appears, go back and recheck all toggles. Sometimes one is nested in accessibility. Then reboot the device to apply settings cleanly. If problems persist, remove or edit lock screen emergency info as a temporary workaround. Remember, you disabled the shortcut to avoid false calls, so verify that true.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.